my phone screen. Nothing not change. Honestly, baby, I guess things remain the same.
Okay,
I
that's
like you.
You like me for true?
No, for true. I'm not like just start this true. I have my mouth for talk. You see when I look on you, honestly, I see a lot. I like your lips them. I always admire. When me I say do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, my taking.
Oh, you're taken.
Mm-hmm.
For real, man. Otherwise from your taken, you
Yeah.
not see me as the person in the making? No, because you see, whosoever you're there with,
Mm-hmm.
always remember one part in the Bible. It says sharing is caring. So, him alone can't have your for himself.
That's cheating though.
Listen me out. When you're beard and I scrub this something, it have one split though. That means say half for him and half for me. No, no. What do you think the split come? No,
What?
the split. No, the split. It sure say you for share. Half for him and half for me. Baby, listen me out.
That's it mean.
I want some of the blessings.
Yep.
Yes.
And that's how it work.
So how it work?
You have to do more. You have to work hard for that. And I just so blessed.
Jesus Christ, how about your pum pum so? Goal in there?
Where me I did? Oh God.